Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is Wednesday, September 13th, 2017. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading lower by 3.5 points right now. They're sitting at 24.92.5 per contract. So all in all, we got a little bit of a dip here ahead of the opening bell, but really nothing that major that I could see. We did have some economic data in at 8:30, and again, you could check that out for yourself, but we just really want to focus on what's moving this morning, where can we make some money, looking at day trades. So again, we're going to start the day off looking at the first stock out here, which is Nordstrom. JWN is the ticker symbol. Stock right now is trading at $47.60. It briefly got above $50 yesterday. It looks like there's some news that they are going to look to go private, and that's been out for a while, but it looks like they did potentially strike a deal with a private equity firm on a takeover. We'll see how it plays out. The stock has come back in quite a bit. So again, we'll sit tight with Nordstrom. I think around this $48.50 to $48 level, there's still a fair amount of resistance. If the stock does start to run today, watch the $52 area. There's very good resistance there, and we'll see how it plays out. In the meantime, you do have other stocks moving on the back of this news, and the biggest one that I see, the biggest mover here is Dillard's. DDS is the ticker symbol there, and that's trading up around $62.50, closed at $60.15. So Dillard's on the move on the back of the Nordstrom news, and again, Dillard's just moving in sympathy. So we'll see how that plays out. I'm not sure I see a play here for Dillard's yet, but these will all be on our radar once the opening bell rings today. So keep these stocks up on your screen, and we'll see how they look once the opening bell rings, and we'll be looking at these in the intraday stock chat room. If you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We had a couple of really nice trades yesterday, and again, we're going to look to keep that going today. It's been a great 2017. Next up, I want to take a look at Cracker Barrel. They reported earnings. Ticker symbol here is CBRL. And you're going to see that the stock right now trading at $152 a share. However, very little volume here. That means there's not a lot of conviction. But Cracker Barrel on the move after earnings. And we'll see what it does once the opening bell rings. So we'll look at this one again, and we'll just see how it plays out. Maybe it has some room to the upside, but we'll see where that one goes. Finish Line is in the news, FINL. This is a stock that's been beaten down, but lately has been starting to uptick. Looks like they got upgraded today, so Finish Line is working its way higher. Stock right now is trading at $10.32, closed at $9.74 yesterday, so that's a good little pop. We'll see where it goes. There's nothing I'm looking to do right off the bat here, though, with this name, but it is on the radar. Let's take a look at Micron. It looks like they were upgraded as well. Stock right now, though, is sitting at $34.64, closed at $34.29. You got a little bit of an uptick, not much. I think Micron is very overbought on the daily chart. If you take a look at the daily chart here, it's had quite a run from 27 bucks all the way up to 34 and change. This is now what we call an overbought condition. So again, nothing wrong with the chart. Trend is up, except that probably need to pull back here. So we'll look at that, and we'll see how that plays out once the opening bell. Micron will be on our radar. Let's take a look at Western Digital, WDC. It looks like the deal they had with Toshiba has fallen apart. So again, the stock is getting hit a little bit. It closed at $88.78. It is now trading at $86 a share. Again, we'll look at this one once the opening bell rings. I will at some point have levels for this stock today. So again, Western Digital definitely in play here. We'll see where it goes, and we'll see what it gives us. Right off the bat, I am looking around this 85.90, 85.75 level, around there as some support, but we have to really see what it does at 9:30 right now. We still got quite a bit of time before the open. Let's take a look at KLAC. It looks like CLAC today was downgraded by Goldman Sachs. Stock right now is trading just underneath the $97 level. It closed at $97.95, so a little bit of down ticking there. And again, CLAC was into very good daily chart resistance. See that? Look at that gap window right there. So again, due to pull back either way, and got helped a little bit today by the Goldman downgrade. So we'll see how that plays out, and we'll see where it goes. But again, it's going to be a very, very interesting trading session, to say the least, here as we go into this market. Looking over and switching gears here a little bit, we have gold trading up today. So gold, which has been a little bit on the weaker side the last few days, catching a bid. Spot gold up $4.40 to $1,337.10 an ounce. Take a look at the GLD. You'll see that trading at 126.57. So you've had a 2-day pullback. Today it's getting a little bit of a bounce back on the upside. So again, we'll watch the GLD this morning, and again, we'll see how it plays out. Looking over at the crude oil market, crude getting a bid today. That is up about 42 cents to $48.66 a barrel. We'll see how crude plays out once the opening bell rings. Crude inventories, I believe, will be out at 10:30. So that definitely could move markets. Let's take a look at the USO. USO right now trading at $9.92 today. So again, USO is a good oil ETF to track the movement of oil, not so much the price. But again, crude oil getting a bounce today. So we'll see how all this plays out. Once again, if you want to trade alongside of us, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. We've got lots of moving parts out here today. Nordstrom, Dillard's, Western Digital, Finish Line, Cracker Barrel, and others. So again, come on over. We'll see what we get. And again, if you haven't done so, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We're having a great 2017. You can trade right alongside of us. With that being said, everybody, have a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.